Heyo, welcome back. Today I'm catching up on some edits from a crabbing trip earlier this year. If you didn't know, some friends and I go crabbing from time to time, usually in Hallman Bay, and sometimes we'll make the longer drive out to Bodega Bay. In January, my friends and I signed up for the NorcalKayakAnglers 2022 Crabfest. Bear in mind, we sort of know what we're doing. We do catch crabs, but we never sign up thinking we're bringing home gold. Instead, for us, it's all about the experience. The folks in the NorCal crew are super welcoming and are always generous with their advice when we've got questions. On to Crabfest. We arrived with enough daylight to set up camp and get a fire going, and we might have stayed up past our bedtime. #blame Fireball. Staying up past our bedtime did lead to a late morning, but we were able to get on the water by about 11, and last call for crabs was at noon. Eesh. Despite the late start, we were getting some action in our pots. We even had the Coast Guard out there running some drills. After tossing undersized crabs, we still had enough for a meal. And despite missing the cutoff time for the crab weigh-in, we did still make it in time for the award ceremony and raffle, with proceeds going to Diabetes Youth Families, DYF.org. And thankfully we made it and stuck around because we were in the running for the grand prize, a Moken 10v2.
Does anybody want to buy the kayak off me right now?
And wouldn't you know it, I won!
No, I want to hear it. Okay, we just won a kayak. Woo! Okay, there we go.
Awesome. Let's get a picture.
Now, I've never won a raffle in my life, so I'm stoked if this is the only one.
You gonna ride?
You just won the 2020 Crabfest kayak.
What?
How do you feel, man?
It's epic, man. Couldn't believe it. We pulled crabs, kayaks, what?
After the raffle, we boiled up some crabs and made some crab chowder to feed the troops. After a nap with some daylight left, I took the Moken out on the water for a spin. What a difference. Earlier in the day I was on a double, which was manageable, but it was night and day compared to the Moken. Made some adjustments to the foot pedals and was cooking with gas. Super responsive and a whole lot of fun to handle. And I can't think of a better way to wind down this trip to Bodega than kayaking into the sunset. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah, boys.